Want to change up the look of your Memoji? Whether you want to give your Memoji character a new hairstyle, makeup look, facial hair, or accessories, we can help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to edit your Memoji. Now let's get started. To begin, open your Messages app. Go to any conversation, then click the Animoji icon with the monkey face on it at the bottom. You should now be able to see your Memoji character. Tap the three dots in the bottom left corner to open a menu. Then select Edit. Now you can edit your Memoji's skin, hairstyle, brows, eyes, head, nose, mouth, ears, facial hair, eyewear, and headwear. When you're finished making all the changes you'd like and are happy with how your Memoji looks, tap Done in the top right corner to save. Now your Memoji's updated look will be reflected in your Memoji and sticker options across any app you can use Memoji with. That's all it takes to edit your Memoji. Be sure to check out our other Memoji tutorials next. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.